This is Naveed here. Today we will be discussing about the difference between operations and project. This is one of the fundamental question that whoever studies project management it's one of the first question that comes in mind, and we will be discussing the difference between operations and projects. But before we move towards the details, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel Engineering and Management for latest videos and updates. So moving on to project and operations different. First of all, what is operation? Operation is any activity which is routine work, which is repetitive in nature and which is ongoing. Like you can see in the picture that it's picture of a car assembly plant where cars are being manufactured on a routine basis around the year. There is nothing different about it. The process you follow to manufacture one car is followed on all the cars. The steps, the material, the labor involved, all more or less all the things are same. So it's a repetitive work and it's ongoing. This is one of the definition of operations. Now, what is project? Project is anything which is A, temporary, non-repetitive, and B, it has a beginning and an end. It has a start date and it has a finish date. No matter how long the duration, anything which is a beginning and an end and is temporary is project. You can see in the picture, and I don't know how many of you recognize the picture, but it's one of the famous moon landings by US, and the project was named as Project Apollo by NASA. So it was a project because it was a one-time thing. The landing on moon was being carried out for the first time. It was not a repetitive thing, and it had definitely a start date and end date. So moving on to a few examples so that the difference between project and operations is clear. Uh, can you establish that if you are involved in construction of your house, whether it will be termed as an operations activity or a project activity? Now, whatever we have discussed in the last two slides, for an activity to be termed as operation, it has to be a repetitive thing and it has to be ongoing. So, are you on a continuous basis involved in construction of your house? Do you construct many houses? The answer is no. And is it a continuous process? It means that doesn't it has a start date and end date? Yes, it does have a start and end date. So it means that if it has a start and end date, 1 year, 2 years, and you are not doing it on a regular basis as a business, and it's a one-time thing, you are constructing your house, so it will be definitely classified as a project. Let's look at the next example. You are planning a trip, your maiden trip to K2 base camp. K2, those of you who don't know, it's a second highest peak in Pakistan. And if you are planning a trip to K2 base camp, a maiden trip, a first time trip, and it will definitely have a start and end date, and you are not doing it on a regular basis, you are not doing it uh, on a continuous basis, it's a one time thing. It will be classified as a project. But let's look at the next example. If you are daily going to outage to your office, so that will be definitely classified as a operations activity. Why operations activity? Because it's a repetitive thing and it's a continuous thing. You are continuously going to your office, and it doesn't have a start and end date. It's a repetitive thing and it's a continuous thing. That's why example 3, daily commute to office, it's not a project. Purchase of a new car, non non-repetitive, and it will definitely have a start and end date. You will ultimately start planning it, and at some point in time you will be able to buy it. so it's a start and end date, so it will be a project. Any plant startup shutdown, because it's a routine activity, it will be done on a regular basis multiple times throughout the life of the plant, and it's a continuous activity that is involved in the operations of the plant, so it's an operational activity. Automobile manufacturing plant installation, you are, let's suppose you are owner of a big company and you are planning installation of an automobile manufacturing plant in Karachi. So since it will be your first plant in Karachi, it will be a one-time thing. It will be a start date and end date. It's not repetitive. It's not like that you are regularly installing new manufacturing plants in Karachi. So it will be a one-time thing. It's non-repetitive and it will have a start and end date. So both of these points to classify it as a project satisfy. So example 6, installation of a manufacturing plant in Karachi will be classified as a project. Example 7, automobile manufacturing. Now in example 6 we were talking about manufacturing plant installation. In example 7 we are talking about car manufacturing, bus manufacturing, automobile manufacturing. So because the manufacturing will be recurrent on a daily basis, it will be done on a daily basis, on a continuous basis around the year in the plant. So it's a repetitive activity and it's a continuous activity. So both of the pointers of operations will be satisfied. So it's not a project, it's definitely an operational activity.